Hello everyone, welcome to the West Bengal Police and Kolkata Police Constable. It's another reasoning practice set number 2. So let's begin. So the first question for today's session is of missing number. See, you can see the first question is given 13, 45, which comes to 29. Then we have 24, that comes 58, and 74 times 32 comes 53. How is this possible? If we see, if we add 13 and 45, we get 58, and dividing the sum by 2, we get 29. See? So let's see if this matches the second one. 24 add 58, that comes 82, and 82 divided by 2, that comes 41. Similarly, this will also be there. It will be 106. 106 divided by 2, that comes 53. So what the question requires? The question requires 97 times 47 comes what? So 97 times 47, that is adding, we'll get 144, then again dividing it by 2, we get 72 as our answer. So 72 is our answer. That is option number B is the correct answer for this question. Okay, hope you understood. Let's go to the next question. The next question is coded language. Is given in a certain code language, RIGIDS, that is rigid, is written as this, and what will be the code for cornet? So in the previous class I have taught you to write, if you're not able to write from A, so that it will be easy for you guys. It will take hardly 1 minute to write it, so that you're not able to mistake in the question in the examination hall. So what is the question given? Question is given R, I, G, I, D and S. It is written as T, F, I, F, F, P. So you can see R is written to T. We can see R is written to T, that is +2. I is written to F. We can see I is written to F as -3. G is written to I, again it comes +2. I is written to F, -3. D is written to F, +2. S is written to P, -3. So what is the combination? It will be +2, -3, +2, -3, and so on. So what is the question? The question is given here is COR, N, E and T. So we'll go with +2 first. So C +2, that is E. O -3 is 1, 2 and 3, that is L. Then R +2 is T. N -3 is K. E +2 is G, and T -3 is Q. So the answer is EL, TK, GQ. So where is option given? EL, T, K, G and Q. So the answer for this question is option number 4. Okay, let's go to the next question. Next question is statements and conclusion. You can see statement and conclusion. So what is the question given? The question is given, the first statement says no A is B. So we can write no A is B. Second question says all C are D. All C are part of D. Okay, and third statement says some C are B. So we can write from here some C, some C are B and all C are D. That means all part of C is D. So all the statements are done. So conclusion says, the first conclusion states that some D are B. We can see some D are B. I'll just change the color for you guys. You can see this portion of D is inside of B. So the first statement is correct. Second conclusion says some B are C. You can see some B are C. See, this part of B is inside C. See, some B are C. We can see that. So the second statement is also correct. So 1 is correct. 2 is also correct. And number C says all C are B. It states that all C are B. We cannot see in the diagram that all C are B. So the third statement is wrong. So third statement is wrong. So only first and 2 follows. So the answer for this question is only 1. See, only 1 and 2 follows. The rest are wrong. Hope you got it. Okay, chalo. Next, move on to the next question. Next question is about seating arrangement. It's about seating arrangements. Okay. So what is the question says that 5 articles. What are the articles name? Bat, ball, fan, table and chair are kept one above the other. That means one above the other. Means here some, then up, then this. Okay. 5. That means 5 positions will be there. Okay. Then it's given that the bat is, okay, the question starts from here. The bat is 4 places above the fan. So if we draw, like we can write 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's make stairs one above the other. Okay. What it says? The bat is 4 places above the fan. That means bat is 4 places above fan. That means there 4 places. That means there should be a gap of 3. So if we write fan over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means bat should be here. Here's given 4 places above. That means there should be a gap of 3 places between them. There should be a gap of 3 players between them. Okay. Next is that the table is between ball and chair. Table is between ball and chair. We don't know, is the ball above table or is the chair below table? It can be chair also here or the ball can also be here, but the table is between them. Okay. So we don't know, we just write it side. So the chair is 3 places below the bat. Here the chair is 3 places below. 3 places below means chair the gap between chair and bat should be 2 places. The chair is 3 places below bat. So bat 1, 2, 3. So the chair should be here. If the chair is here, ball should be here. And if the ball is here, table should be here, because it states the table is between ball and the chair. So this completes our seating arrangement. So what the question requires? The question requires which article is at the second position from the top? So second position from the top is the first position, this is second position. So the answer for this question is ball. So the answer is ball. Okay. Chalo. Next, move on to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is also about coded language. It's about coded language. So the question says A is written as C. So A is written as C, B is written as D, and so on. That means there is a gap of one place. That means A, B is not written, then C is not written, then D. That means there is a gap of one letter between the two letters. So how is this? Ratnagiri, or we can say R A T N A G I R I is written in the coded language. So R should be written as T, A should be written as C, T should be written as V, N should be written as P, A should be written as C, because one gap, we require one gap. So G is written as I is written as K, R is again written as T, and I is again written as K. So the answer is T C V P C I K T K. So T C V P, VP is not there, option 1 is eliminated. T C V P C I, we require I but it is K, second option is also eliminated. T C V P C I K T K, see, matches. So gap of one letter, gap of one letter. Okay, chalo move on to the next question. Okay, this is also about coded. So what it says, plus means minus, I'm just writing over here for you guys. Plus means minus, minus means multiplication, division means plus, and multiplication means division. So the question here is 10 multiplied by 5 divided by 3 minus 2 add 3 gives what? So just writing 10, multiply sign is changes to what? Division sign. So 10 divided by 5, divide sign changes to plus, plus 3, minus sign changes to multiplication, and addition sign changes to minus. So we can see 5 is divided 2 and 3 times 2 is 6. So I'm just writing here 2 plus 3 times 2 is 6 minus 3, which gives us 6 plus 2 is 8 and 8 minus 3 is 5. So the answer for this question is option number 2, that is 5. Okay, chalo next. Next question is also about sitting, or you can cite the position of a person. So what is given? In a row of 18 students, that means there are total 18 students are there in a row like this, so on till 18 students. So it is given Raju is 7th from the left. Let's see, if we write Raju over here, it is 7th from the left, we know left hand side. Okay, then if Mukesh exchanges its position and another person comes in place whose name is Mukesh with Raju, Mukesh changes his place with Raju, then Raju becomes 15th from the left. Then if Mukesh changes its place, so let's say Mukesh is over here, and if after exchanging Raju should be here, and he becomes 15th from the left, then Mukesh should be here, Okay. Then question says what is the present position of Mukesh from right end. So you can see if it is 7th, that means 6 persons are here to the right, to the left of Raju. Obviously no, 6 person. If it is he is 7th from the left, then there are 6 person, and to the right of Raju there should be 11 person. Okay. So and now if Raju is, I'm just, now if Raju is 15th from the left, if Raju is 15th, that means there are 3 persons to the right of Raju and 14 person to the left of Raju. So if he is 7th from here, 15th from here, that means there is a gap of 7 person. There is a gap of 7 person between them, Raju and Mukesh. So there is a gap of 7 person between them. So what does the question require? The question requires what is the present position of who? Mukesh. So from the right. So if there is 3 person over here, we can write 3 person over here. Raju itself plus 1. Then we have 7 person between them. Then Mukesh, what is the position of Mukesh from right? 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. That means 11 persons are also from the right of Mukesh. That means Mukesh is 12th from the right end. So the answer is 12. Hope you got it. Chalo. Next question. Next question is about fillers. Fillers. So what is the question states? Question states 8 ratio 81 proportionate to 10 ratio question mark. We can see 8 and we can see 81 is 9 square, or you can say 9 into 9, 981. So if it is 10, the next value should be 11 square, because see 8, 9, 1. So 10, 1, 11, 11 square is 121. So the answer of this question is 121. Chalo, next. Okay. Next question is also about seating arrangement. It's about seating arrangement again. So what does question states? Mohini is taller than Nita. So we can write Mohini is taller than Nita, but is shorter than Sarita. Completed. Second is Sarita and Malini are of the same height. So we can write Sarita is equals to Malini. Now Mohini is shorter than Hema. It states Mohini is shorter than Hema. So Hema can be here or Hema can be here. I'm just doing another possible situation. So it is given Sarita is equals to Malini. Mohini is shorter than Sarita but taller than Nita, and so we can write Hema can be here. in the same case, Hema can be here, because it's not specific in the question that is Hema taller than Sarita or is Hema shorter than Sarita. We don't know, but only the statement said Mohini is shorter than Hema. Mohini is shorter. Hema can be here. Hema can be here. So we don't know Hema. So there are two possibilities. Either Hema is below Sarita or either Hema is above Sarita. So what does the question states? Question requires who is the second tallest. Second tallest. What it is given? Who is the second tallest? Either from the first case we can see Hema is the second tallest. See, first, then this is second, then this is third, this is fourth. Either Hema is second tallest from the first case, and either Sarita or Malini is second from the second case. So we don't know. Option given is Hema. Hema can be there if we go with option number 1 or the possibility number 1. Then C and D means cannot be determined. Third option is Sarita or Malini if we go with the second possibility case. And D is both Sarita and Malini. We don't know because we have two possible situations. So the answer for this question is option number B, that is cannot be determined. Okay? ठीक है, चलो move on to the next question. Next question is also about coded language. See, coded language. So what it is given? Actor is written as B, B, S, P and Q. So it's +1, A goes to B +1, C goes to B -1, S goes to T goes to S -1, O goes to P +1, R goes to Q -1. Okay, so what does need require? Needs. If we go from this, it is given +1, -1, then again -1, then again +1, then again -1. See, +1, -1, -1, +1, -1. If we go with this, it goes +1 means O, -1 means D, again -1 means D, again +1 means E, again -1 goes R. So the answer should be O, D, D, E, R. O, D, D, E, R. O, D, D, E, R. See, none of the option is correct in this case. Getting my point? No option is correct if we go with this case. So there is a catch. So what's the catch in this question? The catch in this question is vowels and consonants. See, A is a vowel +1, O is a vowel +1, and the rest 3 are the consonant. That's why it's -1. So from here, E is a vowel +1, E is a vowel +1, and the rest 3 are consonants. So it should be -1, D should be -1, S should be also -1. So the answer for this question is MFFCR. See? So in the examination, you should also look vowels and consonants, not just the how it's going +1, -1 or the +1, -1. You should also look for vowels and consonants also in the examination hall. Okay, let's go. Next question. Next question is also about fillers, or you can see the missing. So what it is given? 2 + 4 gives 18. 3 + 7 gives 52. How this comes? 2 + 4. So we can see 4 square gives us 16 and 2 as 2 written. Just add both of them. So 18 comes. Here also, if we go with 7 square which gives us 49, then adding 3 which gives us 52. So what the question says? Question says 11 plus 2. That means 2 square, that is 4, adding 11 which gives us 15. So the answer for this question is 15. So we see the second number is a square, then adding the first number. Second number is a square adding the first number. Second number is a square adding the first number. We get. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में. Okay, this is also sitting arrangement. Sitting arrangement. Okay, question says 5 person names are given, are sitting in a row facing north. North, you know, north. Chalo. 5 person, we see 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can do that, which is given. Aim is not at extreme end. Okay, I'm just bring the center. M is not sitting at extreme end of the row. That means M should not be here. M should not be here. So the possible case for M should be either this one, or either this one. So we can write M can be here. This is the first case. Second case I'm just drawing right below it. M can be here. I'm just drawing one more scenario. M can be in the second rightmost place. Okay, what do you say? M is not extreme end. Extreme end cannot be there. So, and it is not an immediate neighbor of L. That means M and L are not adjacent to each other. M and L are not adjacent to each other. Okay, so L should not be here, and L should not be here. Either L should be here or L should be here. In this case, L should not be here. L should not be here. L should not be here. Either L should be here or L should be here. And in this case, L should not be here and L should not be here. So either in this or either in this. ठीक है. We'll see later was. Then it's written there is only one person sitting between A and M. So there is only one person. That means A, one person M. That means we cannot write A over here because there is no space for A. So A should be here. I'm just in this case A can be here or A can be here. So this is the third case. So A can be here. Let's make another case for this one. M is in the middle. A is written on the left hand side. So A should be in the right hand. And for the third case, A cannot be here to the right of M. So A should be to the left of M. And it states also in the previous line, it states that M and L are not adjacent to each other. So L cannot be here. So L should be here. L cannot be here. So L should be here. L cannot in the both place. So L should be here. And L is not there. So L should be here. Hope you got it. So I'm removing the extra paths so that you can see how the question is going on. Okay. Now, what is given? O is sitting to the right of D. O is sitting to the right of D. So O is sitting to the right of D. So O should be here, D should be here. O should be here, D should be here. O should be here, D should be here. And O should be here, D should be here. Got it? This is also complete, this is also complete. Now, L is at the right end of the row. L is at the right end. L is at the, we can see in these two cases, L is at the left end of the row. So, these two cases are cancelled out. So, we are left only with these two possible scenarios. So, L is at the right end, L is at the right end. Now, and the last line says L is not an immediate neighbor of A. That means L and A are not adjacent to each other. We can see in the first case L and A are adjacent to each other. That means first case is also cancelled out. So the answer for this is possibility number 2, that is ADMOLN. Okay. So what does the question says? Who are the neighbors of M? Who are the neighbors of M? Who are the neighbors of M? D and O. So option number C is the correct answer. D and O. Okay. Hope you got this sitting arrangement. Chalo. Next question. Okay. Next question is also about fillers. What it is given? 7:49 is 17 what? We can see it is 7 square 49. You can see, and you can see if you also think that 7 square is 49, you can also see 17 square, that is 289, but there is no options for 289. Is there any option? It's not. That means there is some another case going on in this question. So we just have to crack it. If we see 7 times 8 becomes 56 and 56 minus 7 is 49. You can see that 7 times 8 is 56. 56 subtracted by 7 is 49. So let's see 17 times 8. So what comes? 7 7 is 47, 56. Carry 5, 8 1, 136. And 136, if we subtract 17, it comes down to 119. See? So in this case, what is going on? It's going on, the first number is multiplied by 8, and it is again subtracted by the number itself. See, 7 times 8 comes and the number itself is also then subtracted. So we can see here 17 times 8, it becomes 136. Then the number itself is subtracted with the number came. So the answer is 139. So the answer for this question is option number C. ठीक है? चलो, next question. Next question is also about order and arrangements. About orders. So what is given? Sita is older to Swapna. Let's write. Sita is older to Swapna. Then Lavanya is older to Swapna but younger to Sita. Lavanya is older to Swapna. That means Lavanya should be here. Lavanya is older to Swapna but younger to Sita. See? Then Varna is younger to Hari. Varna is younger to Hari. And Swapna, and also Swapna. Varna is younger to Hari. See, it's younger, and Swapna, and also Swapna. We don't know, is Hari the older part or the Swapna the older part? But, and here comes but. That means Swapna is elder to Hari. Swapna is elder to Hari. That means Hari and then Varna. Got it? So what is the question requires? The question is, who is the second youngest? See, second youngest is Hari. option number C. Okay, chalo, next question. Next question is also about fillers. We can see what states, what it is given: 8, 64, 512 and question mark. Okay, how this 8 comes? Many of you were thinking that 8 into 8 is 64, then 64 into 8. Yes, that is also, but if we see 8 comes 2 times 3 or 2 cube is 8. 64 comes 4 cube. 512 comes 8 cube. See, 2, 4, then here should be 6 cube, that is 216. See, 2, 4, 6, 8 and all the numbers are then cubed. So the answer is 216. Okay. Next question. Next question is also about coding. See, it's also about coding. Normal coding. So what it is given? If A is denoted by plus, I am writing here, A is denoted by plus, M is denoted by minus, E is denoted by multiply sign or the star sign, and D is denoted as division sign. So the question here is given 33D, 3M, 5E, 10A and 12. So we can write 33. D denotes what? Division sign. Divide by 3. M denotes subtraction sign, that is minus 5. E denotes multiply sign, that is multiplied by 10. And A denotes plus 12. So what will be there? If we cut this one, it will comes down to 11. So 11 minus 5 times 10 is 50 plus 12. And if we calculate this, 11 plus 12 is 27. 27 minus 50 is minus 27. So the answer for this question is option C, minus 27. Okay. Chalo, next question. Next question is also about missing number. Next question is also about missing number. So what it is given? 7, 4, 2, 69, 3, 9, 1, question mark and 2, 6, 5, 65. So how it comes? If we see, if we write 7 square plus 4 square plus 2 square, 7 square is 49, 4 square is 16 and 2 square is 4. If we add all the 3 digits, it comes 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 49 is 69. See, 69 is there. Let's check the next one. If 2 square plus 6 square plus 5 square, that is 4 plus 36 plus 25, that is 4 plus 36 is 40, 40 plus 25 is 65. That means this question states that all the numbers are squared and then are added. All the numbers are squared and then added. So 3 square plus 9 square plus 1 square, that is 9 plus 81 plus 1, that is 81 plus 9 is 90, 90 plus 1 is 91. So the answer for this question is option number B, 91. Okay, chalo, next question. Okay, it is also about coding. So what it is given? RUSH gives 66 and HUT gives 94. Okay, in the previous class I've stated that you should write from A till Z and the numbers also A1, 26 and all those. So you just write, okay? I'm just doing directly. So if we see R's value is 18, U's value is 21, S value is 19 and H value is 8. If we add all the four numbers, what it comes to? So 21 plus 19, it becomes 40 and 18 plus 8 becomes 26. If we add the both numbers, it comes to 66. See, we can see 66. Let's see for the next case. H value is 8, U's value is 21 and T's value is 20. If we add the three digits, it comes around 49, but here it is given 94. That means we can see that after adding the letters, we just reverse it. We just reverse the digits. See, 49 is reversed, it comes 94. And 66, if 66 is reversed, it comes 66 only. Hope you got it. Okay, so fun. So question requires fun. So F's value is 6 plus U's value is 21 and N's value is 14. If we add it, 14 plus 6 is 20, 20 plus 21, 20 plus 20, 20 plus 21 is 41. So the answer should be 14. Options are wrong. So the answer is 14. Answer for this question is 14. Don't go with the options. Options are wrong. ठीक है? See, F's value is 6, U's value is 21, N's value is 14. Just add it, 41. So just reverse it. It becomes 14. The answer is 14 for fun. ठीक है? चलो next question. Next question is about missing series. Next question is about missing series. So question is given 3, 10, 29, question mark, 263 and 790. So how it can be done? We see 3 times 3 becomes 9. 9 plus 1 gives us 10. चलो ठीक है. Next again 10 times 3 becomes 30 and 30 minus 1 gives us 29. अच्छा. So we can see plus, multiply 3 plus 1, multiply 3 plus 1. We don't know. So let's check the last digit. So 263 times 3, that gives us 9. 6 3 is 18, carry 1. 789, but it is 790. That means plus 1. I mean plus 1 minus 1. Then again the number should be times 3 plus 1. And again for this number should be times 3 minus 1. Then again times 3 plus 1. So 29 times 3, which gives us 29 times 3, which gives us 87, and 87 plus 1 gives us 88. So the option, so the answer is 88. Okay. If you want to recheck it, you can see 88 times 3 is 264. 264 minus 1 gives us 263. चलो ठीक है. Next question. This is relation. This question is about relation. how this number is related to the given options. So we can see 4, 6 and 9. We can see 4 gap of 2, 6, 9 gap of 3. So in the first case, gap of 2, gap of 2, gap of 4, gap of 2, gap of 4, gap of 6, gap of 2, gap of 3. See, gap of 2, gap of 3. So the option for this question is option number D. ठीक है, चलो next question. अच्छा, this is also missing. Question states how 13 is changed to 182. If we see 13 square, what is 13 square? 13 square is 169, but here is 182. If we add 13 itself, see 182 comes. That means we are squaring the first digit, squaring the number, and then adding the answer with the number itself. See, 13 square is 169, then adding 13 gives us 182. So 17 square is 289, then adding 17, which gives us 306, that means 306. So the option for this question is option number D. Hope you got it. Okay, next. This is also about coding. What it is given? Life. Life is written as 128. How? Let's. Place value of L is 12. Place value of I is 9. Place value of F is 6. And place value of E is 5. Just add it. If we add it, what we can see? 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 12 is 32. But here it is 128. If we see how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just multiply it by 4. We can get 4 to the 8 and 4 to the 12. See, we just cracked it. So, adding the place value of the letters, then multiplying it with the number of letters given in the question. Okay, let's go. Let's see, run R U N. R's place value is 18. U's place value is 21, and 14's place value, N's place value is 14. Just add it. If we add, we see 18 plus 21 is 39. 39 plus 14, it comes 53. 53, then how many letters are there? 1, 2, and 3. 3 letters multiplied by 3. See, 159. Got it? So, what is the catch here? The catch here is writing the place values of the letter, adding it, and then multiplying with the number of letters given in the question. So, what does the question requires? Cloud. Cloud. So, C's place value is 3. L's place value is 12. O's place value is 15. U's place value is 21. And D's place value is 4. Add it. See, 21 plus 4 is 25. 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 plus 12 is 52. 52 plus 3 is 55. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiplied by 5, we get 275. So the option for this question is option number B, that is 275. Okay, got it? Chalo, next question. Next question is also about missing. So what it is given? K, B, N, D, Q, F, T, H, question mark and question mark. Achha. Can you see? K to N, it goes with +3. N to Q goes with again +3. Q to T goes with +3. See, alternate letters are being taken place in this missing series. So T +3 should be W. And here, how B goes to D? +2. D goes to F? +2. F goes to H? +2. Then H should also go somewhere with +2. That is J. That is option is WJ. So in this case, what you can see, alternate letters are taken place. K goes to N, N goes to Q, Q goes to T. Okay, got it? Chalo, next question. Next question is about blood relation. It's about blood relation. So, what the question is, in a family, B is the father of K. Okay, before starting the question, I'm just writing male. Basically, I denote, you can denote anything. I denote male as plus, female as minus, brother sister as symbol of arrows, and relation or the marriage I just denote with plus, no brackets. See, in male I denote as bracket, but in marriage I denote plus. You can do anything. So what is given? B is the father of K. Okay, chalo. B is the father of K. That means if I write here, B is the father of K. B is the father. See, B is the male of K. We don't know what is the case gender of K. Then B has only 2 children. B has only 2 children. That means there should be a brother or sister of K. Then K is the brother of R. That means K is a male. K is the brother of R. We don't know the gender of R. Now R is the daughter of P. See, R is the daughter. So R is the daughter, is a female of P. Obviously, whose? P. That means B and P are married to each other and they have 2 children named K and R. And K is a male, R is a female, and K and R are brother and sisters. Okay. Now A is the granddaughter of P. A is the granddaughter. A is the granddaughter of P. That means somewhere there should be a father and a father or mother, and P should be here. That means P is either son or the daughter has been married with someone to get a child named A. So we don't know who is married to whom. Either K is married to someone or R is married to someone, and they have a child named A. So let's see. It is given S is the father of A. S is the father. So here is given father. We cannot marry a male with a male. Can we marry? We cannot marry. So S is the father. That means R is married to S, and they have a children named A, which is a granddaughter. So this is the relation. This is the blood relation. See, B is married to P. They have 2 children K and R. R is married to S and they have a child named A. So what the question says? Question says, how is S related to K? How is S related to K? Who is S? S is S is the husband of R and R is the sister of K. That means S is the brother-in-law of K. S is the brother-in-law of K. Brother-in-law. Okay. Hope you got this question. Chalo, next question. And last question for today's session. So it is also about relation. And relation states mother, woman, and pilot. Mother, woman, pilot. So the first option. Obviously, who are mothers? Those who are women only, they can be mothers. So if we write mother, woman, pilot, something should be linked because women are only capable of becoming a mother, right? So the option is wrong. Okay, one it's missing. One place should be here. Let's go. If we go with mother here, woman here, pilot here, are only women become pilot? No. Now, if we go mother here, woman here, pilot here. See, this part of woman is left out and this part of mother is left out. Only we know that women are only capable of becoming a mother. We know that women are only capable of becoming a mother. So option C is also incorrect. Okay. So we can write, if we write woman here, mother here, and pilot this one. See, this is correct. Why this is correct? See, whole part of woman can be mothers because all women are not mothers. Some women are sisters, some women are daughters, but not all women are mother. And some pilot who are women can also are also mothers, right? Some pilot who are also women are also can be some mothers also. So the option D is correct for this question. So this was the last question for today's session. Hope you liked it. So this was the small session of West Bengal Police and Kolkata Police Constable reasoning practice set 2. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.